Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the getUser and getCount. So let's get started. So after you have set up your application, and I've already shown you how to use the Clerk client and all of this in the first tutorial, and I've made a separate playlist, so you can just go and watch that. But getting back to this, so these two I feel like are straightforward, so I just want to quickly go over them. The getUser is used to get a single user by their ID. So where can you go to get this ID, right? So if you were using something like getUser list, you could get the ID from that and then put it in this. But I'm gonna go and fetch a ID manually. So this is my Clerk dashboard. I'm just gonna choose one of these and just copy the ID. Okay, the IDs usually have something like this in the start, so just get that. So I've copied it and I'm gonna put it into this, and I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna use Thunder client for this. So I'm gonna send a request, and as you can see, I am getting the information related to the user by their ID, all of this. So this is how you use the getUser to get all the information about a single user using their ID, and the getCount. So I do this, right? So the getCount is getting the total number of users in my account. And if you are wondering, yes, this is kind of like how the getUser list method works, but depending on how you make your app or the things required in your app, you might need these two as well. So I'm just quickly going over them. So this one, getCount, you can get the number, you can get the count of how many users depending on different things. I just think that most of the time you are going to be using this, but there are other properties as well, like you can get the count by username, the user ID, phone number, external ID, email address, etc. But this is the one that you will use the most, I feel like, because this will search the email and the usernames. So let's say if I show you, I have these, right? So this is demo user 2 and demo user, right? The usernames. So I'm gonna choose demo user and I'm gonna save this. Actually, let me just put these on separate lines and remove this so that we only get this. Okay, this is, yeah. Okay, so if I send the request, you will see I'm getting both the counts. But if I do demo user 2, because both of the names are the same, that's why it got the count of 2. Now if I send a request again, I will only get 1 because there is only one user with the name demo user 2. Okay, so that's how the count works. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated about the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.